So we are currently on our way to camp. It's almost 1 o'clock right now. We're driving straight into this rainstorm, so hopefully by the time we get to camp it'll all clear up, but I guess we'll see. We're just gonna slowly make our way to camp, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Just buckets of rain. Buckets. Alright, so I've made it to camp and it is still raining quite a bit. It's on and off really heavy rain, but now I'm thinking we're gonna have to get in the back and just kind of set up back there and just kind of wait out this rain before we can even do anything outside. So that's probably what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna get in the back here in just a bit, and I'll see you when we get back there, guys. So I hurried up and got in the back here because it was raining. Got back here, hurried up, got everything back here, quit raining. And I could get out now, but I'm afraid it might start raining again, so I'm gonna hold off, wait a few minutes, see if it rains or not. Because I think it's supposed to quit here in about an hour and a half or so, but it might have quit early on us. So for right now, we're gonna go ahead and try something new here. So I've got this fan, but I've also got this new thing, and it's like a mini air conditioner, and we're gonna put some cold water in it. And it can't hurt to try it because, I mean, it's like 86 degrees today, so we're gonna hook it up, keep the back closed here, and just see if we can try to stay cool back here, guys. But this fan's definitely helping. We're gonna go ahead and get that mini AC going. We'll hook it up to the power station here and see what it does. So let's see what happens. All right, so here's a little AC unit, and you just slide this top off. You put your water down in here, put it back on, and then it's got a catch tray that'll catch the water in the bottom here, and you can adjust where you want your airflow to go. So it's got your 3 fan settings right here, and then you've got your AC button. You've got a button that'll rotate it so it'll spin, and then you've got a light on the top, so this will light up. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this with water and test it out. We've got ice cold water here. There's a fill line, so you just put it up to that line, put your lid back on, and then I'm gonna set it up right here. And then it's USB powered, so I'm gonna plug this into my EBL 500 watt power station down here and see what it does. Okay, so we've got it hooked up to the power station here, and here's your fan button. There's the first setting, second setting, and the high setting right there. As you can see, the top lights up different colors, which is really cool, but you can turn that off as well. So it's also got your rotate button, so it'll start spinning. This is not sent to me or anything, but we're gonna try it out and hopefully it works. So it just started raining again, so I think I made the right decision of staying in here. And I'm just going to hang out, listen to the rain hitting the topper, sit by these fans and stay cool, and we'll get outside whenever it quits raining, and I'll catch you guys then. So the sun has been popping through the clouds here, and I can't tell if it's still sprinkling or if there's just rain dropping off the trees here. It looks like we have a path right here behind our campsite. All right, let's go down this trail and see where it goes to. I'm hoping it goes down to the lake, but I'm not for sure. Try not to fall in this mud. It's quite wet, but if it goes to the water, it'll be worth it. Oh, it's very muddy. I didn't even mean for this to happen, but I'm sure glad it did. Just an awesome lake. Glad to be here and glad it ain't raining. So I made it back up here to the truck and I checked the weather forecast and it's showing that it's probably going to rain here soon again, and it's going to go on throughout the night. So I've got to figure out what I'm going to do here. Hopefully we can get to cooking some food because I'm starting to get pretty hungry. So today we're going to be making some hamburgers. I just got some salt and pepper on them. And I'm going to try to hurry because it might rain. There we go. Alright, burgers are on. The rain will just hold off long enough for me to finish the burgers and put all this away. We'll be good to go. We'll just eat in the back of the truck if we have to. Alright guys, here are the burgers and they look pretty good. I was going to fix onions, but I was trying to hurry and it's raining, as you can hear probably. I'm glad I got done. I got everything put up for the most part. Got some ketchup here and some mustard. We'll just put that on there. There we go. Let's give this a try, guys. That's very good. I've got another Aldi Pop, and I've been liking these pretty good. This one is orange squeeze, and I haven't had this one. So let's give it a try. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's good. Well, I'm gonna finish these and then who knows what, probably just lay back and listen to the rain a while. Finished both of them. That was very good. Pretty heavy rain. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and got all changed up. I feel a lot cooler now. I'm gonna be running my fan and the little mini AC, and wish me luck, and I'll see you guys in the morning for some coffee and maybe a sunrise. We might go fishing, who knows. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It's currently just about 7 o'clock now. Time to get up here soon and make us some coffee. All right, we are loaded up. Got my coffee, and we're gonna go check out this boat dock. It's got a really wide open view of the lake, so we're gonna check it out really quick, and then we'll be on our way home. So let's go check it out. Just a massive lake. Alrighty guys, I think I'm gonna close this one out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.